Yeah, and that brings up another really kind of interesting observation about back to kind of like a redox and understanding of how this the sharing of subatomic particles is making things unavailable or bioavailable. This is something that we've chatted about a bunch in trying to.
I'm just gonna stop you. Not subatomic particles. It's technically. So yeah. But so when you get subatomic, like principal quark, like quarks and things. But clarify, when certain electrons configurations can change, right? They can make things more bioavailable. And I think one of the easiest ways people can understand that is rust, a patina, right? Iron oxide, copper oxide, right? When copper goes from orange or reddish orange to green. But yeah, it's the reality that, and these are mediated by these microbes and these enzymes. And for a long time, people thought, okay, it's one gene, one disease, one gene, one enzyme, or one thing. When in reality, it's this whole orchestration within the organism, but then with other organisms also plugged in as well. So it really is like they're the alchemists of the soil, actually.
Yeah. That's where I was trying to kind of going was like, if you think about like a bacteria shooting a freaking lightning bolt at a chunk of iron ore to extract an electron to help it produce something else or consume another form of that iron and then excrete out an iron that we later used in the Iron Age, like the whole central northern part of America is like the giant iron belt. I mean, there was so much of that material that came from, we have to believe, billions of years ago when these organisms first started to set up shop, that we now mine and turn into steel and iron and everything else. And so, yeah, they are the alchemists of the soil. What's the matter?